Hello students, I'm Rashmi Vadya, Assistant Professor of Sandra Institute of Technology and Management, Gurgaon from ETCE department. Student, today's topic is quantization effects in computation of DFT from the first unit from digital signal processing. It's your 17th video. So first of all, what do you mean by quantization? And its effect is used in the computations and FFT and DFT operations. So सबसे पहले तो what do you mean by quantization? So quantization in mathematics, or you can say in DSP, it is a process of mapping input values from a large set to output values in a smaller set, often with a finite number of elements. Uh, the examples of the quantization process is rounding and truncation. And quantization is a of two type: uniform quantization and non-uniform quantization. The type of quantization in which quantization level are uniformly spaced is known as the uniform quantization. So when we are talking about in DFT and filtering, so filtering and FFT operation, it was implicitly assumed that all the computation can be performed with the infinite precision. This is quite true with the floating point implementations. With fixed point implementations, the parameters will be quantized and any intermediate result arising from the multiplication or addition of the number will be quantized. Some effect of quantizations are it's change the location of poles and zero. Yes, after quantization, the location of poles and zeros of a filter change, and it create an equivalent additive noise. Yes, 2 points are important. एक तो additive noise add हो जाती है at the output of the filter, and location of the poles and zeros changes. Now, number representation and quantization. In some DSP chips or a special purpose hardware, signals are represented and manipulated using a fixed point binary arithmetic. And the example for the fixed point binary representation is sine magnitude 1's complement and 2's complement. And the 2's complement representation is the most common format. The 2's complement format, a number system, is in a real number x within the range that is in between minus xm and xm, is quantized to the number that is x cap is equals to xm minus b plus summation of iota I is equals to 1 to b bi 2 raised to power I, that is equals to xm and x cap b. So this whole term is equals to the s cap b. This whole term, this is whole term is equals to s cap b, where b is an binary number 0 or 1, and bi stands from 0 1, bi stands for I stands for 0 1 up to b, and b naught is a sign bit having positive or negative. If there is a one in the most significant net number is negative and positive for 0, so b naught is a sign bit. With this numbering scheme, the smallest difference between the number is a delta is equals to xm 2 power minus b, and the fractional part of the number, that is a term x cap b is equals to minus b naught plus summation I is equals to 1 to b bi iota. So this sum is known as x cap b, can be represented by the binary pattern. So x cap b is equals to b naught into b1 b2 and up to b, where dot is in a binary point. This is my binary point. The number xm must be large enough that the risk of overflow is small, and small enough the quantization noise is kept at to an acceptable level. When b tends to infinity, x cap becomes the real number x, and so the quantization of x and s cap been done through rounding and truncation. Basically, rounding and truncations are the two examples of quantization. What do you mean by rounding and what do you mean by truncation? I'll show in figure also as well, and I'm explaining the rounding. Rounding is a quantization method where we round up a particular number to a desired number of bit, or you can say rounding is the process of reducing the size of binary number of some desirable finite size. In rounding a number to say b bits, first the number is truncated to the desired number of bits. Truncated means shorten. हम उसे शॉर्टन जैसे 4 पॉइंट, एक जनरल एग्जांपल लिया 4.673.892, तो हम एक डिजायर वैल्यू तक उसे डिजायर नंबर ऑफ बिट्स तक उसे शॉर्टन करना is known as rounding. So the figure in this is two operations for rounding and truncation, and mapping from x to x cap is non-linear in both the case. See, this is my delta 2 3 delta 2 हमने x axis पे partition कर दिया, and x cap में हम is equals to the quantization of x, that is delta 2 delta 3 delta minus 2 delta minus 3 delta, and it is my binary numbers. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7 in binary. And this is my step form, this is my rounding, and this is my truncation when we are doing in this manner partition 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, minus on this axis, and q multiply x. This is truncation. Basically truncation is what? A truncation is in a type of quantization where extra bits get truncated, and basically in the truncation process all bits less significant than the desired LSB are discarded. So let qb dot denotes a b plus 1 bit quantizer, and the quantization error b, क्वांटाइजेशन एरर क्या होगा आपका x कैप माइनस x, दैट इज योर क्वांटाइजेशन एरर, एंड विच इज इक्वल्स टू क्यू बी मोड ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई x minus x. Then it can be easily deduced from the above figure that from the rounding, yes, from the rounding we can define the error is minus delta by 2 to delta by 2. So E is in between minus delta by 2 for the truncation minus delta to 0. This is minus delta to this one. This is 0 to minus delta, और ये है हमारा देखिए minus delta 2 by 2. So E is in between for the rounding and for the truncation. When we studying the effect of a quantization, the quantized error is usually modeled as a uniform random variable, and for rounding the probability density function. Yes, the probability density function is very important. That is 1 by delta, that is when E is in between minus delta by 2 to delta by 2 and 0 otherwise. This is for the rounding, and for the truncation the PDF is equals to 1 by delta for E is equals to E is in between minus delta to 0 and 0 otherwise. The mean square quantization error for rounding is the E square pxde, that is a 1 by delta so integration minus delta by delta minus delta by 2 into up to delta by 2 into e square de, that is equals to when we are integrating this e square with respect to e, then we will get the L delta square by 12. And for the truncation SEC, this is mean square and this is mean quantization, S for square mean quantization स्क्वायर, देन ई स्क्वायर पी पी। अब देख बस हमने क्या किया है, जो हमारा डेंसिटी फंक्शन है यहाँ पर हमने ट्रंकेशन के केस राउंडिंग के केस में लिमिट्स है माइनस डेल्टा बाई टू टू डेल्टा बाई टू, और इसके केस में माइनस डेल्टा टू जीरो। सो माइनस डेल्टा टू जीरो लेके ई स्क्वायर पी डी का इंटीग्रेशन कर दिया, देन यू विल गेट द डेल्टा स्क्वायर बाय 3. दिस राउंडिंग इज क्लियरली मोर डिजायरेबल देन ट्रंकेशन. Consider the multiplication of a quantized number cap x and cap a during a DSP operation, and the product is C. This is the quantized number 2 and we are doing its multiplication during a DSP operation, then itself be quantized to a b plus 1 number. So y cap is equals to q p y, that x यहाँ से आ गया, a यहाँ से आ गया, and then multiply हो गया, and then goes to be q b dot, and you will get y cap. The quantized product can be written in terms of unquantized product and the quantization error EY as, so y cap is equals to QB by is equals to y plus EY, that is equals to x cap A cap plus EY. If the quantization error is modeled as a uniform random variable, then the model for the fixed point is this one. यहाँ से x cap गया, यहाँ से A cap, and you will get from this EY and you will get the y. So this is the linearized model with which will be adopted in our study for the effect of rounding error in a IIR filter. The effect of the coefficient quantization. अब जो हमारे coefficient quantization है, that is used in the filters, जैसे हम direct form 1 direct form 2 पढ़ी थी, so we can write the transfer function of the IIR filter in this form. Hz is equals to Bz upon Az, where Az is by this term 1 minus summation of a k z k, and bz is k is equals to 0 to m b k z minus k. The direct form implementation of this filter is shown is that all the filters coefficient are at their original unquantized value. So this is xn minus 1, xn minus 2, ये हमने direct form 1 और direct form 2 में किया था. So we want to address the location of poles and zeros when the filter coefficients are quantized. Consider the denominator polynomial az, and we can write the az is this one. So when we are writing the az polynomial is like that in this form, then the pk are the square root of az, and equivalently the product of the poles of hz. It is understood that a pk are nonlinear functions of ak's. For the example, n is equals to 2, and then a1 is equals to p1 plus p2, and a2 is equals to minus p1 p2. So how would the pk be affected? Then ak is quantized. Now take this partial fraction of az with respect to ai from the summation. So partial differentiation of az with respect to ai, then we will get the z minus iota. From the product form we obtain this value. So we want to determine delta p j by delta ai. So we can do is what, to evaluate the equation 1 and 2 at z is equals to pj and then equate. जब हमने इसे equate किया, you will get this equation, and when you are having n is equals to 3, then az is equals to highest power of z is 3 na. So 1 minus a1 z inverse minus a2 z square minus a3 z cube. These are the poles. The partial derivative of the first expression with respect to a1 yields to partial differentiation of az by a1 is equals to minus z of inverse. On the other hand, when we are doing the partial derivative of the second expression with respect to a1, you will get this equation, and when we equating these two expression, z is equals to p3, and equate them, then is equals to p inverse is equals to 1 minus p1 p3 inverse, 1 minus p2 p3 inverse, and differentiation of p3 with respect to a1. So after the simplification we get this equation, and where the delta ak is equals to 1 2 3 up to n. Quantized error is in the ak, and where the IIR filter is implemented using the direct form computational structure with the fixed point arithmetic. So the poles will be shifted by the amount. और हमने ये starting में ये चीज discuss की है कि इसमें हमारे क्या होते हैं, poles और zeros हमारे शिफ्ट होते हैं. When हमने जब कैस्केड और डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 1 और डायरेक्ट फॉर्म 2 किया था सेकेंड यूनिट में, the poles and zeros of the subsystem together from the poles of the FIR, the zeros of the IR system. So the quantization of the filter coefficient in a subsystem will only affect the two poles of that subsystem. In other words, quantization error are localized. Thus, the cascade form is generally much less sensitive to coefficient quantization than the direct form. Now consider when the second order IIR filter of the system, then hz is equals to 1 upon 1 minus p1 z inverse, 1 minus p2 z inverse. Then p1 and p2 is this one, that is pole pair, conjugate pole pair of the filters, and two poles are located on the circles with the radius r, and one of them at a phase angle of q and other at an angle of minus q. The denominator polynomial can be written as this. So when we are multiply this, so we can write p1 plus p2 is your 2rq cos r, and p1 p2 is r square. Consequently, the coefficient in the feedback portion is a1 and a2 is like 2r cos q and minus r square, and the implementation of this filter structure is like that. If we assume that our 4-bit quantization of A1 and A2 in the interval -1 to 1, then the minus R square and 2R cos Q are the numbers from the set, and we can get after the quantization the poles only can take only these values from the set in the diagram. तो हम इस तरह से करेंगे 0 1/8 -1/8 1/4 1/4 3/8 3/8 -3 1/2 1/2 -5/8 5/8 -3/4 +3/4 -7/8 7/8 up to 1. So हम इस तरीके से 8 values भी quantize कर देंगे. So this is up to all about the quantization, truncation, rounding off, that in filters what is the role of quantization. ठीक है students. So if any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you so much.